So ye live ewo ho na enra ebeto dwa se Parliament apase a value for money bill. Na value for money bill no yera ato forcing eka ho asem kakra. Emre bia etwamu bra odekotu mu ewo February busumi ni mu na me pese yetie no kakra. Na fi yebedi enkomo ewo ho in February yentie no near office no ebe.
By institutionalizing a value for money framework, this bill aims to ensure that every city spent by the government delivers the maximum possible benefit to citizens in terms of economy, efficiency, effectiveness, equity, and sustainability. Furthermore, the establishment of the Value for Money Office will create a specialized and independent oversight institutions with the technical mandate to conduct value for money assessment, issue value for money certificates before major contracts are awarded, monitor compliance, and ensure sanctions where violations occur. The overarching objective is to ensure fiscal discipline, reduce waste, promote public confidence, and strengthen the governance and accountability architecture of the country. Mr. Speaker, the bill also seeks to institutionalize value for money oversight and transform public financial management landscape of the country by reducing contract inflation and wasteful expenditure and ensuring uniform pricing across government. Finally, Mr. Speaker, this bill seeks to strengthen fiscal discipline and accountability, enhance public trust and investor confidence, and align Ghana with international best practices in public financial management.
Enti utie yera ato force na HSS sa value for money bill na ombe pass no. It is bringing about office bia sa office no ebe bua na hwe se oman sika yedidi dwuma bia no yede ye bibia se contracts ahodo ne yede ma bibia mu no ebe hwe se sika no emfaso ebeba so anase yemma no emro so mo man ne ka bebre anase mo man no emoka enti ombeye assessment ewo sa ade na projects na government ni so ade hunu bibia opeso ye bia no ombeye assessment wo ho sa office no mahwe se ehun ka no ebeboaye ana etesen afi ombehwe se yebema certificates ansana to omohwe na ya na yama certificate ansana contract no watumi ebia institution na person wa award contract no watumi go ahead award na omahwe nso se procurement ho nsensem nyina no so ebekọ eyie kama afi ombehwe se sanctions ahodo nso beye adwuma se bia amfane kwan so a ombehwe se asotwe se fata no nso betumi aye adwuma na ahwese wo man sika na yedidi dwuma a ebedi dwuma pepepe na yeka value for money no a bra Facebook na yenhwe bibi kakra na mede wo free hadru a obete de mpesa me kire na ase yeka value for money no a enye tese bia ade a ye kopɛ no etwase ne bo yefo enko a oba Facebook a the definition for value for money no enya about say we achieve lowest price enko a nemum ade no a okoye no se ebeye se de ye pɛ no yenka se bia yekusi school dan ne be wi ase no ye twa 3 classroom block ne bo no e kire se cement 100 ne kum ese iron rods bia be 3-5 tons ne kum ne be wi ase no ne be hwe no 2 tons cement no bia be 20 pe ene na endru ne mpempenso no a ye pɛ no nanso ye se ye wie no ye hwese saade no ebi ensi neska ye de ko hyemu no ye benya se ska no so emfaso ye be kwa ade ni si wono na ye sede ye pɛ no no ɛho ka pepepe na a center on 3 areas. One, aye economy, that is say ye hwe ni sikasem project aye no ehun sikasem enti ye behwe se kwan bia so no Jeff not this and one the ode to so na enti first one number 1 aye economy no kosro kakra ma me say ye be minimize the cost of normal ebeko ade na ye mu enti yebeye but ye ma ne bo no enya din pi more mine ka 2 efficiency yebeye de but the twase ye ede ahofama ene ye hu nyina hyem to the extent say yebeye ade no ewo kwan paso doing things in the right way. It is say yedi kan eto foundation ansa ne yakọ akoto soro a enya say ye ka say o yakoto soro no ma ansa ne ye be foundation tie beba be ya wie no na afei asanse ya mfa kwan paso anyenti no na ade no enche na asei enti we no kire say ye pe value for money a ese de ade ne kwan tie no ye ne pepepe effectiveness any say ade no a ye beye awie no ebetumi adi ne dwuma a ye pese edie no enye te se sebe yakoto ambulance aba ba yakọ procure ambulance ne bae no sa ambulance na fe kura de ye tenamu kura ye enye yie ti yabokagu enti esiwo ba enye effective ade na ya ye no mfaso emfiri so emma enti de esi ani so ananke ye pese ye de ade ni achieve no enko ne saa eba saa yaboka ya ye de na nso mfaso amaso enu ena ye pese ye sika ye de behye bibiam saa no ma miensen eda ne ho adi na ade ebeboa ama value for money aye adwuma ne se supplies ne services no enu ma behia se ye de bedi dwuma bia ye pese ye di no etwa se saa no ma ni nyina no eye competitive kire se ye pese ye nya ye de tutututu bi ho na ye hwese oh we die de eye ye hwe ne buo no kra ebeboa yen enya te se bia ye koto ya esan se eno nko ana wo huntini afa ne ato se ne buo eden se ne buo efo se ye papa se nye papa eno ani hia ne afa se ye obi ne de contract e ma no a te se de so se hu se mba eno ya na make se ye kai ni ne de mani pa ba akopɛ ye miem obi a mbepribi no ade a hinder value for money one of the reasons I bring mu sourcing no sourcing one of the reasons hinder Ghana ye value for money because already ku enim nko an the amane ye miem ma foforo mambi enti na nura na make as a road minister 44% of contracts for sourcing no wrong no because of the fact that sa enu nyina no ya miem ama ya anhwe amfa compare oh ahade de eye chan we buo ye sei it one of the reasons I bre pa in terms of value for money so na manyofo ni nim we enti Ghana problem no a ye de sika ko shaade mu a ye nya mfaso no enye se eye bibia wo a enu ntie se sa ko create another office ye do mine sika sa create another office a office for value for money already ye were institutions omu kura tumi e wo maimu a eno so ye independent to say the office for value for money ya wo create atofosing ye were institutions already eno so ye independent ya say ye strengthen those institutions na sa value for money we ye betumi anya we don't need to establish any office for value for money bia. That is the truth. Ye pamanyo sem wo memu dodo. It's about enforcing existing laws. Ye wo no ma bebre e wo memu a say ye de tutu yi a ehu hia see establishes our office no. And I will say it again. Ye ni political will no say ye be prosecuting for. In fact, ye wo PPA, Public Procurement Authority. And na me ka omo ho asem wa. Public Procurement Authority e wa ha. Omo mission ni de je fato so mame. Abusia bra Facebook. This is the mission of Public Procurement Authority. Enu nti na ban adwuma bia be ma contractor. Obe submit contract no ho document no ho defense nyina de akoma public procurement no mama na approval ansa na watu ho anamon. The mission of public procurement o madwuma eso o ye ne se o mo be hwese ye benya best value for money Or say a world-class, efficient, transparent, accountability, and professionally managed vision managed public sector procurement system in Ghana, which enjoys high level of business confidence and ensures consistent attainment of best value for money. Where public procurement on one side. Best value for money in the procurement of goods, works, and services in support of national development and fiscal policies. It value for money, no public procurement for a yomejuma. It didn't create another office. These are the questions I'm asking. Mission statement or say to harmonize the process of procurement in the public service to secure a judicious, economic, and efficient use. No mami and me boss no bra make value for money no. Ni now a public procurement authority o said efficient use of public funds. Say o mai ni sika no ye de be bibia ye be hwe se emmo ye ka ye be use ni yie na chire no emfa kama no. Public procurement authority eye o madwuma o said se o ye. Why are they failing us? This is a question to ask. Our public procurement authority why a DNT NCSACO create value for money office, which their mandate and their mission is supposed to ensure value for money. Public procurement authority no. Onumu media said ye no. Tiade ni yesako create another office. Now for office of the special prosecutor emame. Or say the act now establish the office of the special prosecutor 2017 no? Or say the act to establish the office of the special prosecutor as a specialized agency to investigate specific cases of alleged or suspected corruption and corruption related offenses involving public officers and politically exposed persons in performance of their functions, as well as persons in private sector involved in the commission of alleged or suspected corruption and corruption related offenses. Prosecute these offenses on the authority of the Attorney General provide for related matters. At the office of the special prosecutor no so be hwese se obi edi dwuma bi ewo aban mu anampokura no bi a oyankurankura bi wabegye contract bi na wabuso wayama ka bi aba ombe investigate sa ketase hye predwim kankan na akomu no na oma hwe se emra ne sa nipa kro bedi. An office of the special prosecutor nso ye independent institution. Say behwe se sa de no bekoso. Now Jeff, give me the auditor general de no audit service. Audit service nso onomo so e de ne say omo mandate no functions no ba ko ne say enuma bia e bia ye de aban sika aye. We ye yoko de no audit da so. Enuma bia ye de aban sika aye. Faye no audit service no audit accounts na bibia hwe so contract edi ma ye bo no sa da ese ye de ma anansa abro so anansa ye ntue sika ne se de ese etua no irregularities bia be koso bia no ye audit service a chede se omuma recommendation se ye gisika no efri se nipa kro no ho anansa ye hwe se emra ani nipa wa bo man ne kana anansa wa ma man ni sika no ya hwere no ani ni bedi enti audit nso ye independent institution. And the defense say independent institution ye create office of value for money no and country. I'm saying that it will be a same white elephant and fanfas will be a emma. Fayoko dieno so to sumame. Fayoko dieno to sumame. Or say an act to establish an economic and organized crime office as a specialized agency to monitor and investigate economic and organized crime, and on authority of the Attorney General prosecute these offenses to recover the proceeds of crime and provide for related matters. Usha the functions now, or say investigate and on authority of the Attorney General prosecute serious offenses that involve financial or economic loss to the Republic or any state entity. Enti akabia ye benam so ama aban dwuma bia bebo ebia true contracts true ada yi no a ye be hwiri sika no iyo kwa sade ne so obeye san hwehwemu no ne ya hwe se san krofo no begina mra no enti ye wo san institutions we nyina e wo ho a wo mu dwumadie no enam so se ye bebo oman ni sika ho bra a ye mfa kabia emeto oman no so emo oman ne ka ne ye projects e beko ye obi nso edi sika na so wo ye koye contract bi na amfa yi a emra ne ni bedi edi nti na se ye ko create another office. ɛde o man ni sika afi ni yɛkɔpɛ offices yɛbɛ print letter heads create different bureaucracy again. Meanwhile your institutions are see a strength wɔn ni gya ya manyɔsɛm a ɛde hyehyɛ mu a ɛbɛkɔ yie. Yɛtea ɛna cases ahodoɔ involve corruption manfo esusu so ɔma di sika ɛwɔ ɔman mu no. Yɛde wɔn kɔ gyina amra no attorney general bi timi ba ɔsi case we de menye interested biem aban so wɔn fa ho biem ne yɛgya nipa no ɔkɔ no akɔfa ne ho akɔdi yɛse afre bibi nolly prosecute ne nipa no kɔ free we di sika na we di aban si case no na ne nye ho biem ba yɛnhwɛ China jefa China de yeto so mame enra China wɔma court was sentence say official bi yenkoku no because wabo mine ka wieska we de eba ya China's former agric minister Tang Renjin ye sentencing to death enukra de because of bribery e sha se free ho mame ma contract no na wa mame bia 10% nti wo de meboa wa mo anya road contract no meboa mo anya school dynasty meboa wa mo anya school feeding no na wunya mesro de obenya bia de meme de won 5% and 10% no one na hyehyɛ ho agye saa bribe no no de contract na ma no China ye be queen it value for money be adwuma enra ya ene 26 right enra to March 25th 2026 bra Facebook be had former Chinese aerospace executive handed suspended death sentence over corruption insider or say a Chinese court on Wednesday sentenced Tan Rongzhong, the former chairman of the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, to death with 2-year reprieve for corruption, part of a wider campaign against graft in China's military industrial complex. Bayaya Tiani ye diagro. Attorney General Biba or say nolly prosecute case na bayani nyuhu. Me say problem no enye office creative. Eye the political will to fight it. Say abayani bebre se obi obedi sika bia no me di ni begina mra no. Enye say you scratch my back I scratch your back. They say aban we ba ni nkrofo di sika we su ba na wa be kata so. We su ba na wa be muamu aso. A yemfa mbra no nya adwuma prosecuting nkrofo nti manfo ani age se o medi kura enkosi hwe contract no me inflate kura na me diskani bi kan na me dia aban ba kura e de mbe ne namu aye hwe a ye be ma me not prosecute e be twa asem ni mu enkosi hwe. That is the problem of this country. Enforcement of the law enye se mbra ni ho ba ye de mbra ne be ya adwuma no enka nkyere me say office of value for value for money no e be so special because a independent institution. Public Procurement Authority na nye independent institution. By yenhwe de esi the first CEO of Public Procurement Authority, Mr. Ejenim Boatin Eje, de na esi contract for sale. Utia na the contract ama. Je fatos mame. Mr. Ejenim onye enie Nanado suspense PPA boss over contracts for sale. 2019. And the fact say institution be independent na nche say omo a wo de wo kwoto ano no omo su niska. Almost be this inflate contracts na me be salba square one and so near creating institutions a ye tuaka e dey na yan fa office of the special prosecutor and so don't we still ye corruption o man ka ne ye bo no ne ya fa nkrofo kwa ye bo ka kese ne ya ma CEO o gigi allowances akese and so emfa ye nkosi hwe because we are not ready to fight corruption ye nya ready. Yeah, dead keke. We ba no creative we ba no creative we are not serious to fight it. China ama corruption boy a ding. Uya ye be kun. That is where we must go. And your comedy na ye no. Comedy ni creative way. Na ye dey abeshim. Institutions we nyina mabobodi no. Ye ye a obi antimi miesika wo man mu. Ene ye court no nso bribe gie be jai ye hu exposes wo kromu a ne atumi ahwese ye be fast track corrupt cases are corruption wo mu no ye be mana contentem because be kofa lawyers ne delay case na ye basa ye me ani ko hu ne ye ne mpo ye nya special court for corruption te said ye obenya ayi ye friend is saying India enom ne other countries a wo mu aye ye specialized court for those things na ebe ye din Ebeye din so obi be yes ano man go nim say ekọ ya nche bia 6 months ebeye yi ne lawyer ntimi delay case no because ebe daily sitting ye betena se de bia ye ko wo ye yi kra be sa ma date we ni mu na wo kwa tie am for so sad na me say corruption we be create office of the special prosecutor, office for value for money, office for one ni nyina nkosi hwe wo man mu unless we have the political will to fight it until government be na dey say me am nkrofo di sika kra me prosecute wo mu yi enkusi hwe ti ato forcing wadwene na de ba ne de to create the office enka eyegudu be sa be white elephant because that CEO, that head of office for value for money will be appointed by president, and that person will also be there obe compromise Ghana sanity because onim say or compromise kra na okojina mra ni mu ayenye ne hwe. What we need to enforce our laws. We dey just creating jobs keke. Office na we creating adwuma na wa pa man krofo keke. Asa e meje hwe mayen. What we need, the solution is offering severe punishment to corrupt officials. Eno ne betwa. Enya sa dia oh ye benu ne ho asresa. Ye benu ne ho asresa. And what Ghana needs now is simple. The political will to fight corruption. Nienya effective prosecution. Nienya nolly prosecute nkwa. Ni enforce your laws ni ye. Eno be boye. Am ye to keta se pre-dream kankan ase. Na ne ye die as ye do ni ho a yes re. That's my take on the office for value for money no. Enye office no. Monhwe na monye no maye enne hia. Nhyira 104.5. Ebusua beba.